This conference will now be recorded.
So open the function library work files. Open the. I think lastly we have completed with statistical function, right? So now we have to start with text functions, correct?
Yes, sir.
So everyone open text function sheet. Okay, now first thing is these are the functions we are going to see. First function is upper. So the text functions are very easy. You don't need to worry on this. These are very easy functions. First function upper. So that is nothing but I select the text. Disha. Upper means what? I have to see here equals upper converts a text string to all uppercase letters. Converts a text string to all uppercase letters. Okay, so now I'll select the text. So basically what this function will do means converts into uppercase letters. That's it, simple. So take the function. In the back they're saying what? Text they want to select. So the text is nothing but Disha, close bracket, enter. So now select this and drag up to here. Then on the right side, next lower, because lower converts all text string. That means converts all letters in a text string into lowercase letters. Okay, what are the capital? All the letters should be converted into smaller. Select the text, close bracket, enter. And then write. Write means returns the number of characters that we want end of a text string. So for example, this is the text. This is the text. In that text, right side means end. End means last. Right side, I want two characters. I want two characters of all the names. Last two characters I want. So that means write function. Take the formula. Select the text Disha. Okay. Now see text has been selected. Comma and they are asking number of characters you want. So two characters. Close bracket. Enter. Okay. Select this. Then Next left. Okay, left returns the number of characters from starting of a text string. Take the function. This is a text, comma, how many characters from the left side? 2 characters I want. 3 means 3. Close bracket, enter. Now drag. So that upper, lower, left, right. Is these functions are clear for you? Which function I want to repeat it? Anika, which function? Right function. Okay. See, this is a text. Okay. Right side means SHA. Left side means DI. Like that you can think. Left side that is starting. Right side that is ending. Starting character is D. Ending character is A. A means right. D means left. So I want right side. That means end of a text string. I want few characters. So give equals right. Text you select, comma, number of characters you want from the right side. That means end of the text, how many characters you want. So that you tell. 2 characters means, if you tell 2 characters, close bracket and enter means, will give 2 characters on the right side. That means lastly 2 characters. Drag down now. Done. So same next mid. Mid means middle. For example, extender office, there is a word. In this, in the middle, I want some few characters to be separately taken. For example, I'll just take equals mid, that is nothing but middle. In the middle, I want. Middle means then we have to mention which text from where, that and all we have to mention, right? Middle means. So take the text. First text they are asking, take this text, comma, starting number from where? For example, I say from third character, comma. From third character, number of characters you want. 3 character I want. From the third character, number of characters I want is what? 3. So can anyone tell me what will be the answer for this? What will be the output? I'm not showing the output. You tell me what will be the output will come. Anyone? No? No now? Okay, I not
There
come
is
to
a
chat box
10.
now. Oh, okay. Wait. I not come to chat box. I'm seeing there only. Okay, yes, this is 10. What is it? 10. Okay, 10. So, same thing. If you want for other letters also, you'll come to know that. So, is there anybody have any doubt in this function? No, right? Next, we'll go for character and code. Actually, this two, how to say, not important in Excel. It is there under that function. I'll say, but actually, this is not important. Some places may be used, but I've never seen where it has been used. But it's not that much important. Okay, so I'll just tell you. Each and every number has a code. Each and every number has a character, and each and every character has one code number. For example, 120 means there will be a character for that, one symbol. And same way, 21 for that there will be a symbol or character. Okay, so that is what the concept here. So now I'll just tell you equals CHAR. That means returns the character specified by the code number. Clear? So now take the function number you choose. They are asking the number, close bracket, enter. Getting it? So now if I drag it, I'll get all this. Actually, same right side. Code. I'll just take the code equals code is the text, close bracket, enter. Drag down now. Getting it? So for this number, this code, for this code, this number, same thing only. Similar. Getting with this? Mid again. Mid. Okay, so here you see equals MID mid. Mid means middle. Middle means you have to mention a start position and number of characters. Okay. So first which text? Text is nothing but this one, comma, starting number from third character. That is third character. EXT. T is the third character. Comma. From there, how many characters we want? For example, I say 5 characters. TENDA. Tenda 5. Close bracket. Enter. Then understood that mid function. So now anyone have any doubts with the character and code function? Okay. So now len. So actually for len the report is wrong. We just take any other text. This text I'll take. For len 4, right? I'll copy this and copy this one here. For len take text. We don't want this one. For len take text from here and copy and paste it here. Don't want number. So equals len. Len means len. So returns the length. That means length returns the number of characters in a text string. In one text, how many characters are coming? Tab, select the function, select the text, close bracket and enter. So that in this text, how many characters are there? That everything it will say. And in this, space are included. The space are included. Now come down, go to the left, dollar. So you understood with the len. Len means number of characters. 5 means 5, 6 means 6. Okay. If any space is there, then the space also counted. See, I given a space after A, then it has come as 6. Space are included. Any characters, it is there, it is included. And then dollar. So what is dollar? Equals converts a number using currency format. Converts a number using currency format. Tab, number. If you want decimal, you can give 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places. I don't want. So first what I'll do is this 120 whatever is there, that will be converted into text and added with currency symbol. Enter. So currency symbol has been added, rupee symbol, and it has been converted as a text also. Text means basically number will come on right alignment and text will come on left alignment, right? It has gone to left side alignment. You are getting it? Good. So now next next function is proper. First I'll drag up this here. Proper equals proper. Proper means what? Converts a text string to proper case. So where the first letter in each word into uppercase and all other letter will be in smaller case. Converts a text string, one text word into capital letters and remaining everything will be in small letters. That is what sentence case or proper case. Right? So that will be done here. Tab, select the text, close bracket, enter. Then in that case starting letter will be capital, remaining everything will be small. Next, concatenate. Concatenate means which is used to join several text string into one text string. Joins several text string into one text string. That means string means what? Word. Several words will be joining together. Take the concatenate function. First text, comma, second text, close bracket, enter. Equals concatenate tab, first text, comma, double quotes, space I'll give. Why? Because before the base and ball, between I want space. Whether you want comma or space or dot, whatever you want, you have to mention that between the double quotes. So I selected the first text, double quote, space I wanted. So that space I'm declaring as a second text, comma, third text is all. Close bracket, enter. Is that clear? Concatenate, how to merge the text. Good. Let's come down. So last two functions, substitute and replace. Slightly to be difficult, please concentrate here. Equals substitute replaces existing text with new text string. That means I have a text. In my text, some existing word, it will replace something, one more word. That means find and replace. I'll remove some character and instead of that character, I'll replace some other characters. That is what substitute and replace both. Okay. So take substitute. After taking the substitute, select the text. This one right side here. This one I'll take. That is a text I'm taking, comma. Old text in this is XRT, comma. New text instead of that XRT, what I want to give is double quotes GRT, comma. Instance number. Now I'm not giving. I'll tell you what is that instance number. Close bracket, enter. Instead of XRT here, GRT has been replaced. See the function carefully. First one is text, so I've selected, comma. Which one I want to replace? First I have to mention XRT in double quotes I mentioned, comma. Instead of that XRT, replacing text what I want? GRT. That also I mentioned in the double quotes. Instance number I have not mentioned. I'll tell you that what is that instance number. Then, so now enter. Now what is that instance number means? For example, uh, I'll write a word. Mm, what I'll write is educational rate. So here any two characters, no. Computer, no. Microsoft I'll take. Yeah. So here there are two words O, right? So now first thing equals substitute text is Microsoft, comma, old text in that I want to replace is O, comma, new text instead of that O is A. Okay. Close bracket, I'll give first enter. So here also the instance number I have not given. So wherever I was having O, everywhere the O has been changed into A. Now I don't want the first O micro here, let it be O, but only the second O it has to be changed as A. So that time equals substitute, okay, substitute text, comma, old text is O, comma, new text instead of that is in double quotes I'll give A, comma, which O has to come as A, first O or second O, which has to turn as A. I give this just as second O, it has to come as A. Press enter. Is that clear for everyone? Okay, concatenate. I'll tell you. See, very simple. Concatenate is used to combine text. Okay. For example, here Microsoft Excel software. Okay, pre-cell is there. So I want to merge into one, like Microsoft Excel software in one word. This is in one cell, entire thing. Okay, equals concatenate, join several text into one text string. I'll take the function text one, comma, text two, comma, text three. If I give like this, close bracket and enter, there will be no space wherever I want. Okay, see after Excel, there is no space. So I need to mention the space also as one text. So for that equals concatenate first text comma the second text has to be space, right? Double quotes space double quotes comma Excel comma double quotes space double quotes comma third text as software close bracket. The first one Microsoft after space as a character, whether space or comma whatever you are mentioning, that you please mention it double quotes. Even if you are giving text also, we are supposed to give in double quotes, correct? Press enter. Now you can see the difference. Getting it now? Oh, good. Okay, now same way replace functions equals replace, same only replaces a part of text string with a new text string. So one part of text I will remove and instead of the new text I'll give. Okay. So now how to do that? So replace, take the function, is the old text, comma, starting number in that is 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth character I will take. For example, 2018 I want to change it as 2023. Okay, so I'll take as, so 2 is the fifth character, 3, 4, 5, yes, fifth character. So give comma, new number of characters I want to replace is how many number of characters? Starting number is fifth character and number of character you want to replace is 4, comma. What is the new text? That is 2023. Close bracket, enter. Is that clear for everyone? So text functions are over. Can you repeat? Okay, I'll repeat. So repeat means very simple. Remove a text part and replace a different text part. Same like find and replace. Okay. So example equals replace. This is the old text, comma, in that starting number, which from which number you want to replace. So starting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth character I'll give, that is 2, comma. So number of characters you want to replace from fifth means from 2 to 0 to 5. So number of characters you want to replace is 4, comma. What is the 4 character? 2023. Is that clear now for you? Varnika, is that clear? Repeat. Almost repeat and replaces. Both are same. There we will mention text. Here we mention the number. Position. Done? Okay. Now next function will start. Date function. Go to date function sheet. First function is what? Time. Give equals time. Converts hours, minutes, and seconds that given as numbers to an Excel serial number formatted with datetime format. Then, so now take the function. What and all they are asking, I have given the data for you. Hour they are asking 14 hours. Okay. And minutes 23 minutes. And seconds I given. When you cannot select exactly because of the formula overlapping on that, use right arrow or left arrow, go to that place, close bracket and enter. Use arrow marks to navigate there. If exactly you cannot place the cursor there. If it is over, just try with what is date, so you will get automatically. Equals date, year, month, and day. And try with now and today. Let me know in the chat box whether you can do it or not. Now means what is the output you are getting, tell me. And today what output you are telling, you are getting. Just post that in the chat box. For now and today what output you are getting. Good, good, good. So now returns the current date and time. Today gives the current date. Exactly. We don't need any input here. Correct? So equals now. I take now returns the current date and time formatted as date and time. Take now function. Once you take, just they close the bracket. They open the bracket and they have closed the bracket. Close the bracket and press enter. That's it. For current date equals date, sorry, today, right? Today equals today, open bracket, close bracket. Today means it is the current date. Is it done? So now go down, date function equals date, date is over, day function equals the day. Select this, close bracket, enter. So 2/7/2023 means in that the day is what? Second day. Month is, use month function. Date, seventh month equals year 2023. And if you would have given a time, for time equals time, hours, minutes, seconds that we have done. Okay. Today, now. Okay, that's it. Today, month, it's a day, month, year. Only these things. Okay, time we have done here, and today we have done here. Now we have done here, and date we have done here. So only these three things. Got it? Sir, could you show the exact formula for date again? Because for the same example you've done, I'm not getting the same answer. Date. See here, I have written year here, month, day. Okay, give equals date. Mention the year, mention the month, mention the day, close bracket, enter. And understand, sometimes you may not come. Why? Because first you have to understand what is your system date and time format. Whether your system date and format is like month, day, year, then it will come reverse. So in Excel, very important thing is your system date and time format, whether it is day, month, year, or month, day, year. So based on that only you the output also you will get. Check it out. Okay, if it is month, day, year means automatically it will say 2/24 2034 only. If anywhere Excel in date and time functions, basic rule, please first know that what is your system date and time format, whether month, day, year, or day, month, year. Clear? Okay, now go with the second one. So anyone can solve this network days for me? Networking days? Anyone? Networking days for me, can you solve? 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Oh, good. Groups are doing very good, yeah. Okay. How come 20 days? Anyone can explain me? Network days, starting date, comma, the actually ending date, comma, all days, 2 days. Close bracket, enter. Huh? Huh? How many ending days is coming? I know what you have done. You would have given 1 comma 1. That means holidays is I have and it is in square bracket. It's not optional. And if at all I have more than one record, it has to be set as a range. Now close bracket, enter and check and tell me how many days. 19. All of you are getting 19 now. Check with that. Holidays you don't select 1 comma 1. Select 14 and 20 together as a range. Okay. Now how come 20 days? Sorry, 19 days. Tell me. So 19 days is my working days plus 2 days holidays equals 19 plus 2 days holidays plus last month, that is 7th month, 5 Saturday, 5 Sunday. So totally weekend. Excel will take by default Saturday, Sunday as weekend. So 10 days weekend. Saturday, Sunday, 10 days, 5 days. 2 holidays, 90 working days. So totally last month, 31 days. Is that clear? Okay, now network days. No, first let me check whether all of you for here or not. Yes. Okay, not network days. Network days dot intl. Network days dot intl. So that means, so here by default Saturday, Sunday they give saying as holiday, but most of the places Saturdays are working day, right? Or weekend maybe a different day. So when you want to give custom weekend parameter, then go with network days dot intl. So equals network days dot intl tab start date, comma end date, comma weekend they are asking, come down, come down, come down, come to Sunday, use tab key. Select that, code number will be 11, comma, after that 2 holidays you give. Close bracket, enter. If only Sunday is holiday, weekend means automatically 5 Saturdays will be added with 19. So working days will come off 24. Is that clear? Good. So now date diff. For this, you will not get function name. For example, equals day DATEDI. For all the functions you would have given, you would have seen list of the functions. Only for this, you cannot see the list of the functions. Okay, the formula itself it is like that. So in this case, what you have to do means manually you have to understand date diff. You have to type open bracket difference between dates. Date diff means difference between dates. Basically, difference between date means two dates we want. In 2 days, difference means how we will ask between two dates. Tell me the difference of days, difference of the month and year. Correct? Same like that. Start date, comma, end date, comma. Difference between day means in double quotes D bracket end. It is to find difference between the start date and end date, number of days difference. How many days are difference between that date and this date? Instead of D, if I give M, that is month. Instead of M, if I give Y, that is year. Tell me the difference of days and numbers and years in the chat box. I want to know the day and year and month difference in the chat box. Respond. 1212 days, 39 months, 3 months. Okay, 3 years.
Have you have you took any payment? Have you took any payment?
Okay, just let me show the answer. Only 2 and 3 of you have shared the answer. And here I told last class, right? Some information. 1 second, I just passed there.
This conference will now be recorded.
So date diff is nothing but difference between two dates. Okay, equals date DIF. The formula will not come manually in the list. You have to type it. Okay, so type date DIF open bracket start date comma end date comma in the double quotes D. D means I want difference between the start date and end date in days, and DATE date diff open bracket start date comma end date comma difference between months means M. Okay, month, and equals DATIF date diff open bracket start date comma end date comma difference in yes Y means yes. So hope you most of you are given correct answer. The thing is what only 2 3 people are answering. Hardly how many people are answered means Shasha, Sai Shivani, and Monica. That's it. Monica, no. That oh, okay. It's very hard to read for me. Only 3 people have answered. So remaining, I don't know what you are, whether you are posting or you are attending or not. Only 3 replies are there. Okay. So this is that clear for everyone. All the text, date and type functions. Okay. Now last again we come back to logical functions, which we have kept pending.
Yes, 150 what you have put this in? QR. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
Done.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲಲ್ಲೇ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ
Equals. See, first thing I need to explain you 2 functions. These are very very important functions. If it is a logical function, okay, if it's a all are logical function, okay, actually it is used to do. I'll write definition. It is used to do a single logical test. Very important function, very very important function. Again, I'm telling this is what most important function in Excel. Single logical test. Based on that it returns one if true and other if false. If it is used to do a single logical test, based on that it returns one if true and another if false. Okay, using that means what this means, if checks for a condition, based on that it returns one if true and another if false. That is what official message will be given by the Excel. So simply if I have to explain you, see, using if function I can give one text condition. Okay, to whom? To Excel. Excel has to test that, check that condition. After checking that, if it is true, it has to give me one answer. Value of true means it has to give me output. That also what it has to give, I have to say. Again, if it is wrong, it has to give me one output. That also I need to give. So example, if I am saying Excel 5 plus 6 is nothing but 14. Excel has to check. Excel, I'm saying for Excel, if 5 plus 16 14, please check this. If this is right, value if true means, if this is right, please give me the answer as good. Okay, so I'll type text right because of it is text and I'm typing in double quotes, comma, again double quotes, value if false, please return me as bad. I'm giving Excel a condition if 5 plus 6 is 14. Please check. 5 plus 6 is 14. I'm saying this is my question. Please check whether it is right or wrong. If it is right, please Don't tell me what is the answer and all. Please, if it is right means say me good. If it is wrong means say me as bad. That means the output you show as good or bad. Simple. Clear? Please tell me what output I'll get. Very, very important function. Please concentrate here. What output I'll get. Bad. Correct. So now I'll get bad, right? So if so I will come. Basics, if you have understood here, I'll come in Excel and teach you. For example, I'll come right side. First you make to clear the function. Equals if 6 plus 5 is equals to 13 or 14, whatever it is. Value of true means double quotes good. Value of false means double quotes bad. Okay. Now one more question. Please, anyone can solve me for this for me. If sum of this is greater than 300, then pass. If not, fail. That is my question. If sum of this is greater than 300, I should get pass. If not, I should get fail. How will you write a formula for this? Fast. We have few minutes. We have to complete this. So by Monday we have to start with W. Good. If some still little clearly would have written Shivani. Still clearly. It's correct. I'm not saying one. If I see directly means one part is missing there. If sum of what that you have to tell. Just you given some greater than that range or word one word simply. For example, equals if sum of this range, right? That word you can see. Sum of range you can give. Sum of range is greater than or equals to 300, then comma value of true means pass. But really I appreciate you. It's correct answer. Very good. If not, fail. Okay. If sum of this range is greater than or equals to 300, value of true means pass. Value of false means fail.
M plus ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ನನಗೆ?
Okay. One second. So is that clear if function for everyone? I think I got muted. So what is the positive and negatives of if function means? Positive is whatever the output, I can customize the output. I can customize the output. Negative means only one logical test I can give. More than one logical test I cannot give. That is what advantage of disadvantage of if function. Advantage, whatever output I want I can customize. Even instead of good bad I can give formula, pass, instead of pass or fail I can give whatever formulas I want. Condition I can give only one condition. That is the issue with if function. Other than that, it is a master function in Excel. Okay, please let me know, is that clear for everyone what is if function? Okay, now one question, simple question. Let me see how many of you are answering. I want to know the result here. Okay, if the student is taken 35 or greater than 35, then the result has to come pass. If not, fail. If the student has taken 35 or greater than 35, pass. If not, fail. Anyone? If the student is taken 35 or greater than 35, in the result column I want pass. If not, fail. Please tell me how can you write the formula. If sum of that if you do means 100% it will get greater than 35, right? If you do sum of 5 subject, it will be more than 35 only. If understand question, if the student is taken 35 or greater than 35 in all 5 subject, then pass. If not, fail. You know that school rank coding process, right? If you do sum means if one subject 10 marks also is pass. In each and every subject, if it is taken 35 or greater than 35, then is pass. If not, is fail. If you do sum, 100% everybody will be pass. So see, for example, Kavita, first subject maths 23. She is failed, right? She cannot be passed. But if you sum of that 5 subjects, if you do first 2 subjects only, she will become pass. If value is greater than. Anyone? Any others? No? So I'll tell you, see, the formula is this one. I'm putting chat box first. If minimum of the range means minimum of the 5 subject is greater than or equals to 35, then pass. If not, that means I'll tell you here. See, first minimum function you would see. Minimum will give you the least value of 5 subject, right? Minimum means it returns what is the lowest value. Minimum of 5 subject returns the lowest value, correct? What is the lowest value? If in any one subject they are less than 45, they are failed, right? So now you will write like this. If minimum of this 5 subject, okay, minimum of this 5 subject, minimum value to come. If that minimum of the 5 subject, if that is greater than or equals to 35 means is passed. What is the minimum value? The least value whatever is getting. If that value is 35 or greater than 35, value if true means pass. If not, is fail. Okay. So let me know whether you are getting or not in chat box. Done? Okay, now one more question. Understand the question clearly. If the student is passed, if the student is passed, then I want total of this 5 subject here. If the student is passed, I want total of is 5 subject here. If the student is failed, I want just as it is failed. Anyone? Right formula for this? If the student is passed, I want total of is 5 subject. If he is passed means I want total of his 5 subject. Suppose if he is failed means I want just as it is failed. Already we have find out result, pass or fail. So based on that, easily we can find out this. Anyone? If minimum of the range is sum of the figure. If the student is passed, I want total of 5 subject. Not fail. So if minimum of the greater than 35, value of true means wow. Then sum of the 5 subject. I didn't expected this. Really, it's a different formula. If minimum of B12 to F12 is greater than 35, value of 2 means pass. Instead of pass, we'll put sum. Fail. Really excellent. This formula was that. Don't mistake me. Really, I'm not getting a name into my how to spell it. Your name? Your name, ma? Svetlana.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Svetlana.
Svetlana. Really appreciate you. Nobody have done this before. Even they have not think. Even I have not think it can be done like this also. But I've written in easier way. So this tells how deeply you have understood the function. And Sai, really, you are also great. This is the method what I use. Shai Shivani, this is what how I use that method you have written. Svetlana, you have written a new function. So before no one have written, even not even me. So both I'll tell you. So first, if result is equals to pass, because already you have find out the result. So if that G2 is equals to pass, that means in that cell, if there anything like pass, then sum of the 5 subject. Close bracket. If not, fail. Is also correct. And one more I answered right. Equals if minimum of this range is greater than or equals to 35, then true means I will get pass. Pass means future I will make it as total. So here only you directly would have written. You have written. It's a very good step. Sum of this 5 subject. If not, fail. Both the answers are correct. Excellent. Both of it. Okay, done. So is that clear for everyone? Good, good, very good. Okay, now I'll give 1 day time. Okay, take 2 days of the time before Sunday evening. Means before next class, by morning, before Monday morning, because again I'll not get time to check it out. By Sunday evening, before Sunday evening, all of your Excel workbook has to be sent to this mail ID. Don't in WhatsApp. Why? Because others will download. Not an NCT computer. This is the mail ID. This mail ID, you have to send the functions library Excel file. After completing all that, and you have to send. Simple. Complete all that and send to. Is that clear what I'm telling everyone? Is that clear? Your assignment has to be submitted before Monday, Sunday evening at this mail ID. Entire workbook files, Excel workbook files, function library workbook file. What I sent you right now, what we have worked on that for last 2 3 days. That entire Excel file, all the answers has to be completed and it has to be done. If anyone have completed with me simultaneously, you can mail it off. No issues. Done. Bye everyone. We'll see you in the next class.